Today, I'm going to be telling you how to put up a drape line. Now, in this industry, there are a couple of different methods for tying drapes, but as far as I'm concerned, the only way to do it is with theatre ties. So, I've got my soft seam base set up here. I've got my drape laid out ready with the ties on the right side. I'm going to show you very quickly how to get this up nice, fast and neat. First off, what we're going to do is we're going to leave a good bit of overhang. One thing you don't want to do is have the poles showing once you've finished. So I've got about 20 centimetres of excess, basically up to the first tie spare. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the second tie in, lift it up, and then I'm just going to wrap it around really loosely, because this tie isn't actually going to be part of the finished product. So that's our first point in. We're just going to check the lengths, make sure we've got enough excess to wrap around the pole at the end. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the other end and put another tie in, because at the end of that, it's going to make our life a hell of a lot easier to tie this neatly. So, same thing, come to the end of the soft seam peg, grab another tie, pull it as tight as you reasonably can, loop it round like this, hike it up, and then tie it off. What we're going to do now is we're going to go back along and we're going to tie this really neatly, putting a lot of care into the theatre ties to make sure the drape line stays nice and neat. We'll do a quick close-up on how to tie a theatre tie, because they are not the easiest things to do if you don't know how to do them. Here is your pole and your two tags. Notice how one goes over the top and one comes from underneath. We're going to take this one, we're going to thread it back around the pole to create a nice little loop. Now it's important to keep the tag flat. We're then going to pull it tight so that the drape pulls all the way around, so it's basically touching itself. We're then going to take the bottom cord, cross it over the top, stick a finger through the loop there, hook ourselves onto that cord, pull it nice and tight. And that way you've got a reasonably tight theatre tie, which comes undone really quickly. So once again, make sure this tag's nice and flat, loop it over the pole, pull it nice and tight, keeping the tension on it, and there you go. Lovely, so we've got the majority of our ties done. Now all I need to do is tidy this up so it's finished and ready for show. What we're going to do first is we're going to come to the start of our drape over here, and we're going to loop this around the pole. If we're sending this up to height, you do this afterwards, but for now, you're going to put a quick 30 tie in on that side, do another one down the bottom, and this way you end up with a really nice clean finish on the side of your drapes. On the other side, we've got quite a bit of excess. Now what we can do to speed things along, some of our drapes have these nice little clips. So what we can do is just go up and clip it onto the back there. And to finish it off, we're going to go retie that tag we did initially to hold everything up, so it looks nice and neat. And that way, nice clean edges on the tops, nice clean edge all the way along. One of the reasons we use theatre ties, aside from the fact that they make the drape look really neat, is because it's really easy to untie them. On a D-rig, all you have to do is walk along, pulling the shorter cords, and the drape will come down really quickly behind you with minimal fuss and effort. And now we're ready to fold it up and put it away.